In this video, we are going to see breastfeeding and the respiratory diseases. Breastfeeding may not prevent or eradicate the respiratory diseases like asthma or wheezing in infant, but breastfeeding can able to protect the infant from the respiratory diseases including asthma, wheezing, bronchitis, etc. Now let's get into the video. Breastfeeding can be beneficial for infants with asthma as breast milk contains antibodies that can help protect against respiratory infections and other illnesses that can trigger asthma symptoms. Studies have shown that infants who are breastfed may be less likely to develop asthma or experience asthma symptoms than those who are formula fed. Breastfeeding has been found to provide a range of benefits for infant respiratory health, including number 1. Reduced risk of respiratory infections. Breast milk contains antibodies and other immune factors that can help protect against respiratory infections, which are a common trigger for asthma symptoms. By reducing the frequency and severity of respiratory infections, breastfeeding can help prevent the development of asthma and wheezing in infants. Number 2. Enhanced lung development. Breastfeeding has been linked to improved lung function and respiratory health in infants, which can help reduce the risk of asthma and other respiratory conditions. Breast milk contains growth factors and other nutrients that support healthy lung development, helping to reduce the risk of asthma and wheezing. Number 3. Lower risk of allergies. Breastfeeding has been shown to reduce the risk of allergies and atopic diseases in infants, which are a common risk factor for asthma. By reducing the risk of allergies, breastfeeding can help prevent the development of asthma and wheezing in infants. Number 4. Improved medication effectiveness. Breast milk has been found to enhance the effectiveness of some asthma medications such as inhaled corticosteroids in infants with asthma. This can help improve asthma control and reduce the risk of asthma exacerbations. It's important to note that while breastfeeding can provide many benefits for infant respiratory health, it's not a guaranteed preventive measure for asthma. Thanks for watching the video. If you like the video, please do subscribe our channel. Please support us. Thank you.